The benefits of burpees and how to do them. Burpee box jump. For this variation, you will need a plyo box or bench or other solid object that will support your weight. Stand in front of the box in your usual squat position, but instead of falling down to get push-up, put your hands in the box or on the bench and do a push-up push-up. Then, instead of jumping in the air, instead of jumping up the box, bend the floor gently, with your knees bent, and head straight for the next repetition. Burpee with a Bosu ball. With this variation, you will use a Bosu ball with a flat side facing upwards. Start at squat with your knees bent, holding the outer edges of the Bosu ball. Lower your hands down, holding the Bosu ball. Place the Bosu ball directly under you, and place your hands on a flat surface while performing a push-up. Then, grab the opposite edges of the Bosu ball and lift it over your head as you stand upright. Lower it and repeat. Burpee with dumbbells. Start in the squat area and hold a 5-pound dumbbell in each hand. Lower yourself with dumbbells under your shoulders. Hold the dumbbells while doing the push-up. Instead of jumping, stand and lift the dumbbells over your head. Lower the weight on your side and return to the starting position. For an even greater challenge, you can jump while holding dumbbells, but only if you can control the weights easily. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.